Good evening all. Today we are back with a new video and we are going to learn Gotapatti Rangoli. So materials needed. This is MDF wooden base. Instead of this you can take cardboard also, and this measurement is 20 centimeter around. And second thing, these Gotapatti booties you can get from market, and these tassels according to the color combination we have taken green color, and these square rings, these also you can get from craft shop, and one round booty which we will sticking in the center, and these type of yellow flowers. Instead of this you can use foam flower also, and glue gun. Okay, so and this red fabric, any fabric you can choose, whatever you have in your home. I have taken here red color fabric. The measurement of this round booty is around 12 centimeter, and inches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches around. Okay, so first we'll cut this fabric and we will stick with glue. We will stick this fabric with glue. So I have stick this red cloth. Now this is ready. From both sides I will stick so that it should be beautiful. Now we will stick. I have taken these green color rings. So now we will stick these green rings on this circle. Just leave some little bit distance. This is reusable rangoli. You can use it every year. So like this you will stick these rings on this base. So all the rings are pasted. Just press it for a while so that it will stick properly. After this, these flowers, just spread the glue at the back and just stick these flowers on the ring. Now all the flowers are pasted. You can see. Now we will stick these booties with the tassels. Like this. You can keep this rangoli anywhere, on the floor, on the table, outside the house. And these are just washable. You can wash also. All the booties you will stick with these tassels. All the booties are stick with these tassels. You can see. Now we'll stick the center booty. Just spread the glue and glued on the base center like this. And just press it for a while. It will be stick. Now see. Just you can keep these anywhere on the table. Now the rangoli is ready. You can see them and how beautiful it's looking. And you can keep these side petals like this. Okay, thank you for watching.